This video serves to show you how to use the PlantGUARD app on your mobile device to look up plant, to search for plant, to find specific pieces of plants, but also to use the QR code reader built into the app to access specific plant views. So basically, make sure you have the app downloaded onto your mobile device from App Store or Google Play. And also, when you open, it's going to ask you for a username password. If you don't have one, see your administrator to get it registered. Now, when you do open that, you are going to open the app to this page here. And what you're going to see is My Plant. This is Aurizon's own plant in the system. And each piece of plant is represented by a row. If you click on that row, it'll take you through to the general view or overview page for that specific piece of plant, but we'll get back to that. Across the top, you'll see a green tick circle. That's for all your contractor and supplier plant in the system, and you can check plant status that way as well. But let's go back to what we're here for. Top left corner, you'll see a hamburger symbol. Click on that, you'll get a menu. Go to the scan QR code, click on this. That's going to open the reader. So you'll basically walk up to a QR code on a piece of plant, scan it, just as such. And this is going to open up to that plant's piece of page, and there's a few things that you can do here straight away. View plant, begin checklist, or create a task. Let's view that plant's details. And what this does is open to that plant's overview page, and this is where you can manage that plant, or you can start looking at some of the general details, looking at the status of that plant. Is it compliant? Does it have the documentations? Look at the specifics, the images, and up top you'll see tabs there for documentation, checking on documentations. You can look at any tasks, alerts associated, and very important is the history. This is where you have an audit trail of everything to do with that piece of plant and who did it for reporting and analytics. And lastly, beside general details, this is where you can manage plant as well. So you can create tasks, begin checklist, log expenses, force flag. So all from this actual overview page is where you can look up all the different specifics, the plant status, the compliance status, very quickly on the fly in the field. And it's also from this page that functionalities can be accessed to manage that plant. Anyways, that gives you a quick rundown on how to scan and how to manage plant via the app on your mobile device. Thank you.